At the intersection of the Taihang Mountains and the North China Plain, stands a city carrying the weight of history and the pulse of industry. Here lies Shijiazhuang in Hubei Province, China. On this land, the UMEK factory stretches across 27,248 square meters, integrating into this vibrant industrial corridor with a steady and modern presence. Walking into the factory, a well-arranged cluster of buildings comes into view. In front of the main office building, 3 flags wave in the wind, with the national flag standing tall at the center, symbolizing UMEK's commitment to following the nation's steps and bringing China's first-class water treatment products to the world. The auxiliary office building echoes the main building, their outlines sharply defined under the sunlight. From here, UMEK's management, R&D, and service systems extend outward, supporting the operation of the entire production base. Moving along the main road, 4 workshops stand in sequence. They are the core of UMEK and the origin of every piece of equipment. Workshop number 1, where water purification equipment is assembled from components to complete machines. Workshop number 2, where various filters are formed and tested, with each step reflecting a commitment to quality. Workshop number 3, where large engineering project equipment is manufactured and commissioned, providing customized solutions for global customers. Workshop number 4 serves as the logistics and storage hub, from where products are loaded, dispatched, and sent to different corners of the world. Beyond the rhythm of steel and machinery, there is also the more human side of this place. The rooftops of the 2 fest buildings have been transformed into open leisure spaces. In spring, we plant greenery here. In summer, we raise fish and enjoy the rippling water. This is a moment of tranquility after work, and a place that strengthens the connections within the team. Over the years, UMEK has continued to deepen its presence in the water treatment industry. We build on professional experience, rely on a complete system, and take serving customers as our mission. From the folds of a filter cartridge to the implementation of an engineering system, every detail carries our rigor and responsibility. This is UMEK, honoring every drop of clean water with craftsmanship.